In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab A8 2019, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in pop-up view. All you need to do is launch one of your apps to use in this view and access it in the background. Then click on the icon of it at the top and select Open in pop-up view. As you can see, now I can use my app in this little window. To move it around, hold your window and drag it. To scale it, hold one of its corners and drag it as well. To use this app in full screen view, use this icon of a square and two arrows facing upwards. To turn it into a bubble, click on the second square one over here. Then tap on the bubble to access your window, or click on Home button and manage the same bubble the same way. If you want to, you can always close your window by swiping it in the background, or by clicking this X at the top right corner. Last but not least, you can also click on this little icon of two little squares, and this way manage transparency of your window by operating this slider. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!